gorgeous, welcome to my channel. It's Akshada here with yet another exciting video. Exciting video इसलिए क्योंकि रक्षाबंधन आने वाला है और रक्षाबंधन से सब सजने संवरने वाले फेस्टिवल्स चालू हो जाते हैं और सजना संवरना किसको पसंद नहीं है। और ये वीडियो मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि सिंस आई हैव स्टार्टेड दिस वीडियो इज़ द मोस्ट फेस्टिवल अप्रोप्रिएट वीडियो। आई रियली होप कि आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आए क्योंकि ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए मैंने अपनी जान डाल दी है। आज की वीडियो में हम 12 आउटफिट्स देखने वाले हैं, उसमें से एक आउटफिट ये है। दिस इज़ लाइक वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कुर्ता एवर। इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल दैट आई हैव परचेज्ड दिस कुर्ता एंड आई एम स्टिल लविंग इट। इट्स गोइंग रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग। आप ये वीडियो में देख ही लोगे कि हाउ डू आई स्टाइल दिस कुर्ता। But at the same time, I would like to mention, if you like this makeup, I'm going to put up this video next. So stay tuned for that. But for now, let's get into the video. So rest assured that these outfits are the most comfortable and the most stylish outfits that you can ever wear. तो काफ़ी टाइम पहले मैंने ये गोल्डन स्कर्ट लिया था and I couldn't figure out how to wear this. So we end up purchasing the outfit first and then we think about the style. But that's not good. But क्या करे, ये दिल है कि मानता नहीं। मैंने ये स्कर्ट ले लिया था। इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लहंगा। इट्स अ गोल्डन कलर लहंगा। मैंने एक ब्लैक कलर का स्किन हगिंग टी शर्ट चूज़ किया क्योंकि मुझे आउटफिट से ध्यान नहीं हटाना था। सो द होल अटेंशन गोज डायरेक्टली टू द लहंगा एंड टू मेक द आउटफिट लुक अ लिटिल मोर कोऑर्डिनेटेड आई वोर अ choker which was a golden color choker and this is like a statement choker. I wore the choker to complement the skirt and I wore a black wedged heel to go with the t-shirt. It's like that the whole outfit looks coordinated. I had a lot going on in the outfit itself. तो मैंने अपनी earrings skip कर दी. I wore this similar makeup. I wore this big chunky kadas. I was done with the outfit. It looked really pretty. So I kept my hair open in the first look. You can choose to tie your hair up so that your whole outfit is clearly visible and that look is pretty as well. As you can see in the next outfit, I have kept the lehenga same. I took a solid color kurti. It has a little chikankari like work on it and I tucked it in and I tied a half bun to keep the look contemporary. I wore big chunky contemporary earrings and I wore a watch instead of anything ethnic to add on to the look, and I wore golden heels that complemented the lehenga. And likewise I created the whole outfit together. In the third outfit I kept the skirt same but I wore a peplum top. It was a long peplum top. That's a part of another ensemble that I have. But I wore this top with this lehenga. I wore ethnic jhumkas, flats, that's a golden kolhapuri, and I think this look is really cool if you are not in the mood to wear anything which is body hugging and you just want to dance around the easy breezy outfit. At the same time it looks really stylish. This was the ensemble set that I was talking about. And I wore the dhoti and the peplum top together. Then I wore really quirky earrings, so I wore white heels instead of any other color. I wanted to make it really stylish and I think I was successful. So this is the outfit that I wore last Diwali and trust me, I turned heads. I got few compliments as well and I think this is a really cool look if you don't want to take the whole ethnic route. In this next outfit, I wore the peplum top. I switched the dhoti pants with palazzos. I think each one of us has a pair of palazzo and a pair of long top like that. And trust me, if you try it will look really cool. I wasn't even sure about this outfit, but I wore it and I loved it. I think this is the most classiest outfit ever because the palazzo pants looks like I'm wearing a trouser and a top, but it is giving the whole ethnic feel. To keep the ethnic feel alive, I wore golden kolhapuri. Take a small bag with you, wear like big studs and you will look like the most classiest woman ever. So up until now you would have noticed that I change lipstick with every outfit. I change my hairstyle because that's how your outfit is going to look put together, and I keep switching the footwear according to the look and feel of the outfit because that's the most important. And I personally do not like a lot of jewelry on. I'll wear maximum 2 jewelry pieces and that's about it. So that's my style. Moving on with the next outfit. So the next look, I've kept the peplum top on. I wore lehenga of another lehenga choli outfit that I had. I complemented the peplum top well. I wore flats again because I wanted to be comfortable. I wore golden studs to complement the golden print of the outfit. And I wore golden bracelet that I have forever. So when I was styling the outfits, I realized I have a lehenga that matches this kurta. So I wore both of these together. And since this is A-line kurta, it sort of made it look really flary. The A-line plus the skirt trend has been going on for a while, and I think I made the trend work for me with the pieces I had. And that's another tip for you, right? You can have multiple pieces in your wardrobe that you don't think that goes together well. It's only when you start thinking about it, you will find two pieces that goes together well. So like this outfit, both of them are navy blue color, both of them have golden print on it, and hence they both went together. So I wore a golden color kolhapuri with this, and I switched the earrings. I wanted it to look a little heavier because the whole feel of the outfit is lavish, right? So I wore earrings that are big and chunky. I did a half up, half down hairstyle so that my earrings are clearly visible. But the outfit in itself has a lavish feel to it. So I took a lighter dupatta, and I think the whole outfit looks great together. So the next outfit is the whole outfit actually. It's a kurta set. So this is the kurta that I'm wearing. It's a whole kurta set, but it has another dupatta which will come in the next outfit. By switching one piece in the whole outfit looks a little more festive appropriate. The dupatta is heavy. I have to take care of the outfit. I tied my hair back, but I took a little fringe out so that it gives a little oomph to the outfit. The enamel earrings has a pink color which matches with the dupatta. The footwear here has mirror work on it, but it also has a blue color. I wore that to match with the outfit. Here you will notice that the dupatta is different and the outfit is same, because this is the original kurta set that had come together. I switched the footwear, which is a mix between casual and ethnic wear. I wore studs and I wore watch. This outfit is the outfit when you want to go easy breezy, and this is the kind of outfit that one can wear for an office event because this is a more formal outfit. So moving on to our next outfit, this is the kind of outfit for that girl who does not like ethnic outfits at all, who loves a western wear cut to an outfit. This is an outfit for a girl who likes to combine western wear cuts with ethnic wear material together. This is an actual ethnic wear dress, but I got the sleeve shortened. It was a half sleeve. I did not like half sleeve, so I got it shortened and I made it sleeveless. So to make it a little more event appropriate, I put a belt on the waist and I wore a ethnic footwear below it, tied my hair up and wore a silver jewelry with it just to add the juxtaposition. It's easy, it's breezy, it's cool, but it's also got the ethnic factor to it. And the next outfit, I wore the same dress because the dress sort of gives a look and feel of a kurti. I chose the color black because the top part has a little black color print to it. So I wore a solid black color palazzo below it, which is flary. And to tie the whole outfit together, I wore an oxidized choker which has a black color to it, and I did not wear earrings. I kept the footwear same because it has brown and white to it, and the dress also has brown and white to it. So I matched my dress's color with the footwear, and I matched the jewelry color with the palazzo color. So by doing this, you combine the whole outfit together. So this kurta set is for the girl who does not like to dress up or is lazy as hell, or this was the last minute decision. So this is the most simplest of it all. I made a kurta set by buying the same color palazzo below it, and I wore that, no jewelry whatsoever, and wore heels, and I was done. The easiest of them all, but it looks classy too. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that you liked it. I really enjoyed shooting it and thinking about how to put it together. I really had fun. I discovered a lot of outfit pairings which I would not have if I was not thinking about doing this video. I would like to thank you because you were the inspiration and motivation behind it. So thank you so much for watching my video. It keeps me going. I really hope that you use these outfit idea for coming festive season, not only Raksha Bandhan, because these outfits can be worn by anyone at any given point of time. It does not have to be only festive season. Yeah, but for festive season, I'm sure these ideas would help a lot, and I'm sure I'm going to wear these outfits for few of my festival celebrations as well. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot to keep going. And that's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.